Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Megan, and if you are not new, welcome back. Thank you guys for coming back. I so appreciate it and I love you. Today I decided to film this look right here, which is just a very pretty soft peachy glam that I think is perfect for summertime. So I hope that you guys stick around to see how I got this look. Don't forget to like the video if you're excited to see how this turns out. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Let's get into the video and just do a little quick tutorial on this really pretty look. Alright guys, let's get started with this quick peachy glam. So I did already apply my foundation, and today I'm wearing the Fenty Beauty Pro Filtr foundation, and I love this foundation lately. It's just been making my skin look so glowy and gorgeous. For today's look, I'm going to use the Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette. This is probably one of my all-time fave palettes. Look at the colors. I did already apply some base to my eyes. Just some concealer is what I have been using lately. I'm going to start with the transition shade. I'm going to go into the shade Peaches and Cream. Using a fluffy Morphe brush, the M433, which is my go-to. I'm just gonna pick that up on the brush and dust off the excess. And just start to dust that in the crease and washing it along the lid as well. I think I'm gonna do like a cut crease for this look because I never really do that, so I'm gonna branch out today. Be a little dangerous. A peachy glam is the perfect look for summer. It's just so feminine, it's so pretty. It looks good on anybody, honestly. So I'm kind of washing this color like all the way up kind of towards the brow. Just want it to look very like blown out. And so using the same brush, I'm going to pick up the shade Fresh Picked, which is a darker peach shade with kind of like a little bit of reddish brown in it. And I'm gonna keep that right in the crease, but I'm keeping that as tight in the crease as I can. I want to pack some of a darker shade in the corner of my eye, so I'm picking up this Glamour Dolls brush, which I got in my Ipsy bag, and it just has kind of a tapered edge, so it allows me to pack the color on. And I did already use this in this specific color, so that's why it's dirty, so don't judge me. This shade, the Peach Sangria. Alright, so I'm going to cut the crease now. I'm going to apply some of my Colourpop concealer to the lid. And this stuff dries pretty quick, so I'm going to try to work a little bit fast. And I'm not taking it all the way to the end because I want to keep that really pretty sangria color on the outer corner. Oh yes, oh yes. So I want to go for like a rose gold look, so I'm going to pick up my Perception palette by Shayla and Colourpop. And it has just really pretty rose gold shades in here. So I'm going to pick up this one called Strut and Slay. I'm going to pick that up on my finger. I'm going to pop that onto the lid here. And I'm focusing that like towards the middle of the lid. And I'm going to keep this area right here open so that I can apply a lighter shade and really make it look bright. And then picking up that brush I used earlier for that sangria color, I'm just keeping the shadow that's on there, but I'm just going to buff the two shades together to make sure it looks nice and seamless. And then I'm going to pick up this shade here called Unbothered. It's a really pretty kind of champagne gold shade. I'm picking that up on a really thin tapered brush. Where's my Fix Plus? I'm going to spray it with some Fix Plus to intensify, and I'm going to pop that just right on that inner corner here. And then I'm going into this shade called Spill the Tea. It's just a little bit lighter of a rose gold. Taking my finger, and I'm just going to pop that right in the center over the top. I'm going to apply my concealer now, so I'm just going to use the Colourpop in the shade Light 20. I think I said Light 02 in the last video. Not sure why, but I love this concealer. The only thing I don't love about it is it dries super quick and it oxidizes a little bit. Then I'm going to dip into my Laura Mercier setting powder and just set the under eyes. All right, I'm gonna let that bake for just a little bit. Let's bronze up the face because I'd be looking a little bit crazy right now. I'm gonna go into my Better Bronzer by Physicians Formula with an angled MAC brush. And I'm going to just apply this to the face and do a little bit of contouring, but very lightly. Nothing crazy. Going into my MAC Loose Bronzing Powder, I am going to grab my Luxie Fluffy Blush Brush, just picking a little bit of that loose powder up on the brush. I'm going to apply it where I applied my bronzer, just on the cheeks and the forehead to add some glow. All right, I'm gonna dust this powder away. I'm going to pick up my Hoola bronzer and contour the nose a little bit because I feel like my nose is playing me and I am not one to be played with. All right, let's finish up the face a little bit. I'm feeling like I'm looking a little cray-cray right now. I'm going into the Fresh Picked color with a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna pack that right on that bottom lid. And then I'm going to pick up that rose gold shade I used earlier in the Perception palette, Strut and Slay. And I'm going to pack that on the brush and spray it. And then I'm going to apply that to the lower lash line. I don't normally put any sort of shimmer on the bottom lash line, but I'm just feeling a little bit dangerous today, so we're gonna go with it, people. Going into my Morphe Blush Trio and no. Oh my God, emergency. So we had a little bit of a malfunction with the blush. It full-blown broke. I am devastated. All right, so we're gonna regroup here. I'm picking up my Japanesque fluffy brush. I'm going into the shade Boss and Unapologetic. All right, I'm going to spray my face with some Fix Plus and then apply my highlighter. Going into my Dose of Colors highlight in the shade Fuego. I'm just gonna pick that up on a fluffy brush and just dust that along the high points. I'm going to apply my Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara to the lashes. So I've been loving this mascara lately, but the only thing that sucks is that it's so runny. I always get all of this fallout on the face. Not a big fan of that, but the mascara I do love. But now I'm going to apply some lips, and I think today I'm going to go with the nude pink tones. So I'm picking up this curvy lip gloss by I Love Sarai and Colourpop. Just gonna add a touch of this lipstick in the middle. This is the Quickie lipstick by Colourpop and Shayla. And over the top, I'm gonna add the Neat Freak lip gloss by Shayla and Colourpop. All right, you guys, there you have it. This is my Peachy Glam. I decided to not do any lashes today, just keep it really soft, natural, pretty. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love this look for summer. I think it's gorgeous for even day-to-day, a date night, even summer weddings. If you have any weddings to attend or any events, this look I think would be perfect for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next tutorial. And Not today, Satan. Not today.